What up, YouTube? I'm Paul. This is Ta&Co, back at you with another video. So Tanisha Foster, who is Nipsey Hussle's baby mother, she's wanted for not appearing in court for a DUI. Now, she had a prior case, and it looks like she was supposed to show up in court, and she never showed, and now she's wanted by the courts. Now, this is all while she's going through a custody battle for her daughter, who is, Nipsey Hussle's daughter. Now, it's saying that, I guess Nipsey's family is saying that she's never been around, she hasn't, been around as of recent, as of late. She hasn't been around, but after his passing, she showed up. Now she wants custody of her daughter. Now, meanwhile, she's also saying that Nipsey's sister took the daughter without saying anything to her, and that was that. Which, in my mind, if you haven't been around and my brother has been taking care of you, if something happens to my brother, I would automatically assume that I do get some type of guardianship over you. But that's not how it works exactly. You have to go through a whole custody battle. You have to go through a whole court case. Things like that, and that's exactly what's kind of going on right now. Now, Nipsey, everybody knows his kids are well off. Lauren has said herself that the kids are well off. Nipsey had left money for the kids when he passed, and the kids don't, need no donation. They don't need no handouts or anything like that. I don't know if you guys remember, Reggie Bush was trying to do something after Nipsey had passed, and the family had told Reggie Bush to, take it down. We don't need these donations. We don't need any of that. So the kids are well off. So a lot of people feel like if she hasn't been around, she's coming back for the paycheck. Now, a lot of times with kids, when you're a certain age, certain money you can't touch. You can't really, put your hand on that money until you get to a certain age, usually like 18. You can't touch any of that money. But if you have some type of guardianship around and money is coming in through you, yes, your parents can, still touch that money. That's why you see like a lot of child stars they'll have like a certain amount of money, but they can't touch it because they're so young. By the time they get to a certain age, they realize that mom and dad has already ate through a chunk of that money. That's why you see a lot of times there's a disconnect with major child stars, and now they don't talk to their parents and things of that nature. So anyways, guys, I'll keep a follow-up on the story. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you, YouTube.